I'm back with another 52-week savings challenge to help you save money for your emergency fund if you don't have one. It is very easy and economical, and when you complete this savings challenge, you will have money to tap into when an emergency comes. So stay tuned for this great tip. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel where you'll get great value. Click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that can use this content also? And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yes, I think it is wonderful that you all are saving for emergencies. Did you know the average American cannot cover a $100 emergency? And we're not going to be in that situation. We're going to have money to cover our emergencies. And why do we want money to cover for emergencies? Because they can't be avoided. They come, and we want to have money to tap into, okay? We don't want to be in this situation when an emergency comes, all right? And on today, okay, I have 7 savings challenges. And today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 6, which I do on Saturdays. And what you need for this savings challenge is a container like this. This is a money box that I purchased from Amazon. It was around $14, $15, somewhere in there. And what you do is you stuff money in these 2 holes here, okay? Then there's a hole in the back where you can take the money out, okay? And then you're gonna also need this. What is this? A $20 bill. So these are the 2 things you need. You need money plus a money box. Now, if you don't want to go out and buy one of these, that's fine. Find something around the house and you can do that. That's free. Free is good. Okay? We want to have money for an emergency because if you don't have any money for emergency, you may go out and get one of these. Or you may go out and get one of these. Or you may go out and get one of these. Or you may go out and get in this. And we want to stay away from this because we pay a hefty price called interest. And that's like giving away money to me. And you don't want to use up a bunch of this. Okay? You want to stay away from these. Okay? Because those things keep you from being financially free. And not only do we want to have money for emergency, we want to be financially free. Yes, we do. And if you don't have money saved and you're in this situation, you won't be able to save for emergencies. You don't want to be in this situation, okay? And if this is your situation, find ways to increase it. Matter of fact, we need to have multiple streams of income, more than one. One may not be enough. You know, what if you happen to lose one of them? You'll have some money to fall back on. And if this is your situation here, or if this is your situation, this savings challenge will be awesome. Because every Saturday, we take this box and we stuff it with $20 bills. Okay, just one $20 bill. If you don't go to this place 2 and 3 times a week, you'll have this, okay? Go grocery shopping, buy food, meal prep, stop eating out so much. And when you go to the store, buy this coffee and make your own. You'll have more coffee and spend less money. Yeah. Okay. All right. So every Saturday since the beginning of 2024, I've been taking $20 bills and stuffing it in here. Now, usually on some, you can see where I'm see money, but because of this, you can't take it out. And it's not that easy to get this out of here either. I tried to get one out and it was kind of like tearing it. So I don't know. I saw someone with one and looked somehow like they just popped this top off. But this one doesn't work like that. I don't think they had this on the back of theirs either. Yeah. So we are going to go ahead and stuff our money box. You and I, those who are following me with this particular savings challenge. Okay? I know there's about 2 people that are doing this particular savings challenge. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our $20 in here. And I'm creating these videos to encourage and motivate someone to start saving for emergencies if they're not. Because I realize how important it is. And I want you all to see how important it is. Okay, so I stuck it in there. Now let me go ahead and record. When this is all completed, you are going to be so glad. It's going to be $1,000. And like I said, this is a 52-week savings challenge, and we're on week number 17. Okay? So that means we have 35 weeks left. And today is April 26th, Saturday, April 26th, and this is our money box savings challenge. We added $20, and the total amount is $340. Last week, I don't know what I was doing or thinking. I had said the total wrong. Last week I said it was $300, but it was actually $320. One of my viewers let me know that I had made a mistake, and that's fine. Okay, so now it's $340. So that means we need $660 more to get $1,000. That's all, just $660 more. And we're going to finish that by the end of 2024. This will be all completed. Okay? Now, at some point, if you want to put more in here, help yourself. But I'm just trying to show you how taking small amounts of money, every time you get some money, put it away to the side and save it. It adds up over time. Okay? And like I said, if you want to stuff yours with more than $20, you can do that. This is to get you all in the habit of saving. I'm telling you, I needed to be doing this stuff a long time ago. Yes, I did. You know, I had to learn my lesson later in life. Okay, so I want to say, I hope this video is helpful. I hope you got great value. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this particular savings challenge or any of the other ones. And let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.